One of the questions Ambition support receives the most looks like this. Hi, my competition is incorrect. My team, the Agile Oysters, only have 351, but that number should be 504. The difficulty here is that this could be an underlying data problem, or it could be a competition setup issue, so we have to check both. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I would check that competition. The first thing I would do is pull up the competition, and I'm looking for a few things here. Do the Agile Oysters have 351? They do. What was the start and end time of the competition, August 3rd to August 31st? How is the score configured? New leads and weekends are not being included. And then lastly, is there any scheduled time off that would be impacting scores for any teams? And there is not. After viewing this, I would pull up an analytics report that is set for the same guidelines as the competition. So August 3rd to August 31st, and we see that the Agile Oysters do have 351 for that time frame. Then I would go to the Agile Oysters dashboard and set the time frame on the metrics tab to last month and scroll down and find new leads. Once I do that, I see that there are 504 new leads for this team. What that means is that there are data points that are not counting for the competition for some reason. The first thing that I would check here is if any reps on this team have not been a part of the team for the entirety of August. So if I click the members button here, I see that Amber Malcolm joined the team on August 10th, which means that her data from the 1st into the 9th is not counting for this competition. So I would revert that back to August 1st, and then I would head back over to our analytics report. Since we know that a bunch of the 504 data points are not showing, I'm going to try toggling on weekends to see if that changes the number. Here I can see that the number went from 351 to 476. So turning weekends on did change the impact, which means that data is coming in over the weekends and that's not counting in that competition. And the competition also started on the 3rd of August, which was a Monday, meaning that the first 2 days of August, are not counting in the competition, but they are showing on the metrics tab. So after I change that back, I'm now seeing that 504 number that I'm anticipating and the reps are looking for. So because competitions can't be changed in the past, I would have to create a new competition with the same setup as that analytics report, August 1st to 31st in the time frame, weekends included, and now we would see that the Agile Oysters have 504 just as the user said. If you've done all of this and haven't been able to spot anything, it's probably a data issue, which I'll cover in the next video.